Hello monkeys, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to actually go on the slippery walls in this update. This is the only one I've seen on YouTube so far, so yeah, let's get straight to it. People call it the Fizzin slap. It's not the Fizzin slap, it's called the slip slap. Fizzin didn't make it, it was actually Silent, SS Silent on TikTok. Go look him up, I think he's on YouTube as well. Anyway, yeah, so that's what it looks like. You can also do it anywhere, really, that has a slippery wall, which is all around the map. You can do it in Canyon as well, but I don't really recommend it, but it's okay. With this, all you gotta do is, you wanna put your right hand on the normal wall, and then your left hand on the slippery wall. You can do it the other way around, with left hand on the normal wall and then right hand, but nah, don't do it that way. Right hand is better. Right hand on the wall, left hand on the slippery, and then you just wanna push down. You don't wanna do them at the same time, because otherwise you won't go anywhere. You wanna do right hand and then left hand. The faster you do it, the higher you go. But if you do it exactly the same time, you won't do anything. Yeah, so this is what it looks like slower. The slower you go, the not as much height you get. So yeah, that's all it is really. Yeah, so this is how you can get. Also, the more force you put into it, well, basically the more speed you put into it, the higher you get. So yeah, that's about it. I can get to tutorial every 20 tries at the moment as I'm recording this video. There's a little try there. What you want to do is you want to actually get to that part there, which is the little crease, and then you want to hit again, so then you get more height. So that black part there, as you can see, oh, I fell. Yeah, the little black part right here-ish, yeah, there. You want to just jump up again. You want to jump up just before the crease. But if you hit the crease, then it's just going to make you fall down. Also, don't hit too hard, otherwise it'll make the fucking go silly. This is a little boost thing. You want to put your arm around it here, like a little corner here. You want to put your arm around it and then pull in. Don't put your arm too far around it though, because otherwise you'll just not do anything. You just want to do that, but on the slippery walls. This works. It looks like on the slippery walls. Oh, hold on. Alright, there we go. This is what it looks like on slippery walls. That wasn't a very good try, but I mean, it still worked. I'll do it again. So there you go, that was a better push. And then yeah, you got that. You can go different directions with this push with the slip slap as well. So you can see I went right then. And then you've also got backwards and forwards, obviously, and just up. So this is backwards. Well, that was a terrible try. Getting to stump, you can do it like this. You can just go completely backwards. It's all about the left hand, to be honest. It's just, you want to do your right hand first and then your left hand. Your left hand is the aiming. So this is what it looks like backwards, getting to stump. You just want to do that to go backwards. You can do this on any wall, which is going to be the video after this I'll be showing. There you are. That's how you get to stump really quickly with that. It's very useful. I really enjoy doing it as well. It's really fun. And there you are. You can do backwards as well. You can actually get to that branch there with it, but you just got to have good aim, I guess. I don't really try to get to that branch. I get to the actual tree itself. And yeah, that's how you do it forwards as well. You just pull your left hand back on the slippery walls, and that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, goodbye.